So guys, long time no see. I know I've been away for a while now. I was away for some very personal reasons, but the good news is I'm back now to be giving you updates, and I have a very solid package for you about Web3 jobs. More videos will be coming very soon about Web3. I want to teach my community how to start Web3 because I know many of you have been hearing about the fact that you can make money from Web3, but you don't know how to go about it. If you stick with me, I'm going to show you how to make money out of Web3, becoming a moderator, becoming a reader, and all that stuff. I'm going to show you everything, how to contact developers, how to pitch, how to charge, how to start working for them. Everything is what I'm working on, and I'm going to be dropping the videos time after time as we move forward, right? But in today's video, we're going to be talking about Pi Network, the development, and what we are looking at right now. I know many of you are about to start giving up on Pi Network project, but I say to you that you shouldn't, because now is not the time for you to give up on this project, because this project is already kickstarting. By kickstarting, what I basically mean is this project has been consolidating around the 50 cent, 60 cent mark, and it is not going below that price point. That should tell you something very amazing about the project, that the project is not a meme coin. It is actually a real project with real utility that could just blow up. Now I'm going to take you to my screen now to show you a little bit of what the improvement has been so far and what you should be expecting from Pi coins, right? From Pi Network, what is on ground, the update, and what you should be looking at, right? Let's go to my laptop screen. Now, looking at CoinMarketCap, you're going to see that Bitcoin is currently sitting at $108,000. So in the past week, many of us know that Bitcoin almost went below 100,000 mark, but right now it touched over $110,000, currently sitting at 108. And the very interesting part about it is that what we've all been expecting, because not a lot of us have the money to invest in Bitcoin, right? So what many of us have been expecting is that altcoin starts outperforming Bitcoin, which we are beginning to see right now, guys. So that's what we're currently seeing right now, with Ethereum at over $2,700 and the rest altcoins doing well. So that's one thing you should also have in mind. But the focus right now is what we usually talk about on this channel, right, which is Pi Network. So now Pi Network is currently sitting at the 29th position right now at $0.63 at the moment. When you click Pi Open, you're going to see that everything is still looking good. So when you check the 1 month chart, you're going to see that Pi Network has been holding strong. Pi Network has been holding strong. You can see for the past months, it has been holding strong, moving at that 50 cents mark, right? The current volume is about $64 million with the FDV of 63.8 billion, and the circulating supply currently is sitting at 7.41 billion Pi, and then the exchanges that are holding Pi Network are still holding onto this token strong, like OKX, BitGet, MEXC, Gates.io, Bitmart, Edbank, XT. We are all expecting Binance, right, to launch this coin, to list the coin. And some people had some things to say about Pi Network. Now, Hajong is saying Pi can hit all-time high in June Pi to the 2025, $3. Well, is that true? I guess there's only one way to find out, right? Pi Network outlook is a crucial topic of discussion in the cryptocurrency world. Of course, while there are short-term ups and downs, experts still believes in the project's success in the future. Within the last 24 hours, Pi Network has increased by 1.41% and priced at $0.62 during press time. Analysts are optimistic, expecting a sudden rise in its price once both the project and its popularity expands. Now, according to Coin Codex, from 2025 to 2027, the token should trade within 0.46 and 0.67 before jumping to 91 cents to $2.81 by 2028. However, ChatGPT's financial analysis suggested Pi coins could fluctuate from $1 to $240, and in 2030 it could be worth $106 to $399. Analysts predict significant growth for Pi coins. Now, the question you should ask yourself is, these figures, are they possible? Do you want to know what I think? I think it is very possible for Pi Network to hit that $200 mark, $300 mark. It is just a matter of the longevity of the project and what the team behind it, the developers, put in place to initiate a prize like this. So, and I feel Pi Network is one of those coins that has the potential to perform as well as this. So we should all be expecting something like this in the long run. But in the meantime, let's focus on what we can make out of the project right now. I feel the $3 mark is still realistic for Pi coins. In the coming weeks or maybe months, we are going to see that all-time high again. That is one thing that I want to prepare your mind for about regarding Pi Network tokens. So that's basically what I brought here. I'm going to bring more updates about Pi Network coins in the coming video, and also fulfill my promise by beginning to take you on how to begin your Web3 journey on this space, right? Your Web3 jobs, your Web3 journey on this space. So guys, if you like this content you just got, kindly help me hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel to get more amazing content like the one you just saw. So guys, that'll be the end of today's video. I'm going to be seeing you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.